Hey Perry, hope you're doing well. I just want to make a quick video that I told you I was going to make on a few things that I wanted you to add to your editing repertoire or scheduling or whatnot. So first thing is when you're going to come in, sorry, I'm going to restart here. This is what you're going to see. You're going to see, all the guys in the text and all that. And this is for Josh's upcoming one for the Career Builder. He's already started, so just thought I'd use this as a basis. The first thing you're going to do is you want to come over to tags. And we've already talked about tags a little bit, but what I want you to do here is I want you to make sure that all of our most common used tags, so daily fantasy golf, daily fantasy sports advice, sports betting, golf bets, betting on golf, all those type of things are all clicked off because that's what's going to help our search engine optimization. You can also choose from the most used, add in your own ones that you think need to. Tiger Woods, I tag in almost everything. 12 fantasy I try and tag. So this is just one thing since you're in here editing. It's quick for you to just go over and do. Also, you want to add in for specific articles like Josh's where he's talking about the actual tournament. You want to tag the actual tournament, so Career Builder. You also want to tag the golf course that it's being played at because that'll all help in the search engine optimization. So that's the first thing. The second thing is going to be this Divi Builder, and I think you might have toyed around with it a little bit, maybe not, but what we're going to do is we're just going to click Use the Divi Builder. It's going to bring us to this, and it looks like this layout. Okay, the only thing I need you to do is I need you to click this Add from Library button. It's going to load up. You're going to click Menu, scroll up, and when I say scroll up, I mean click and scroll, so you're going to bring the menu to the top. Then the next one is we're going to add from library. The thing is that the sub price options right now, I'm going to have to change this, but you're going to also have the sub price options be on the bottom one. And then you're going to go ahead and press update. What that's going to do now is it's going to put those two things on this specific post, so it should help to navigate quite a bit. So I know that you talked to me a lot about navigation between the articles and in the site, so this should really help that. And just so you see what it looks like, it's going to look a little silly. I don't know what to do to make it look less silly, but when there's a featured article, what happens is that the menu ends up below it. So whatever, not a big deal. Regardless, this is it. It at least looks a little bit better in terms of where the menu is. So Josh also fixes some of that stuff. So anyways, that's the way it looks. That, like I said, I have to clean this up and make this a little bit better so that people can see how much we are charging for each of those things. But other than that, hopefully that makes a lot of sense. So I'll just quickly summarize. We're going to add the tags, and we're going to add the tags right over here in this column right there. And for the Divi Builder, we're going to go to where once we see it, which, here we go, it's loading. It does take a little while to load because this is where we're getting into coding and such. So anyways, once we have clicked the Use the Divi Builder button, we're going to click the Add from Library. And from there, you're going to click Menu. All right, and so that should, like I said, help us out in our navigation. And if you have any questions, as always, give me a call or talk to me or text me or email me.